Hello everyone.
We are students from Environmental Engineering Study Program Universitas Negeri Malang, Indonesia. My name is Dayu Pavita.
My name is Andreno Orfais.
My name is Nadita Dwi.
And my name is Ahmad Ramadan Nur Firmansyah.
Sometimes, the greatest environmental threats are not the ones we can see, but the ones silently accumulating every day. Today, we will present our innovation that transforms landfill leachate from an environmental burden into a sustainable resource through nutrient recovery and circular economy principles. Landfill remains one of the most common methods for municipal solid waste disposal. However, one major environmental issue associated with landfill is the generation of leachate. Leachate is a highly contaminated liquid produced when rainwater infiltrates waste layer and dissolves various organic and inorganic compounds. Among its pollutants, landfill leachate is particularly rich in ammonium nitrogen, often at concentration that can be harmful to aquatic ecosystem and surrounding environments. Excessive ammonia can reduce water quality, contribute to eutrophication, generate unpleasant odors, and pose toxicity risks to aquatic organisms. Conventional treatment systems generally focus on removing these contaminants before discharge. However, this approach often overlooks an important fact. Leachate contains valuable nutrients, especially nitrogen and phosphorus, which are essential elements for plant growth. As global fertilizer demand continues to increase, recovering these nutrients from waste stream represents an attractive and sustainable opportunity.
We see a paradox. Landfill leachate is commonly regarded as a waste requiring costly treatment, yet at the same time, it contains significant amount of nitrogen and phosphorus that can potentially be recovered and reused. Instead of treating leachate solely as a pollutant, we believe it should be viewed as a resource. By recovering these nutrients, we can simultaneously reduce environmental pollution and support sustainable agriculture. This concept forms the foundation of our proposed innovation. Our proposed solution began with landfill leachate as the nutrient source. First, rest-has biochar is introduced into the leachate as a porous support material. Magnesium chloride is then added to supply magnesium ions, followed by potassium dihydrogen phosphate as the phosphate source required for sulfide formation. Under controlled pH condition, ammonium, magnesium, and phosphate react to form sulfide crystal. Because biochar is already present during the precipitation process, it acts as a nucleation surface that promotes crystal growth while simultaneously absorbing and retaining nutrients. This produced as a biochar support sulfide composite in a single recovery process.
After precipitation, the composite is separated from the treated leachate and dried to obtain the final fertilizer product. The integrated material combines the advantage of both sulfide and biochar. Sulfide naturally functions as a slow-release fertilizer because of its slow solubility, gradually supplying nitrogen, phosphorus, and magnesium according to plant demand. Meanwhile, biochar enhances nutrient retention, improve soil structure, increase water holding capacity, and help minimize nutrient losses through leaching. Together, they create a more sustainable and efficient fertilizer for agriculture applications.
To optimize nutrient recovery, several experimental variables will be investigated. The experiment begins by adding rich hash biochar into landfill leachate, followed by magnesium chloride and potassium dihydrogen phosphate under predetermined magnesium to nitrogen molar ratios. The suspension is then stirred while maintaining different pH conditions to promote biochar-assisted sulfide precipitation. Three experimental variables are evaluated. The first is pH, which strongly influences sulfide crystallization. Previous studies have shown that alkaline conditions, particularly around pH 9, favor crystal formation. The second is time duration, which affects crystal growth and reaction efficiency. The third is the magnesium to nitrogen molar ratio, which determines magnesium availability during precipitation and directly influences nutrient recovery efficiency. To evaluate process performance, pH is monitored throughout the reaction, while ammonia and phosphate concentration are measured after sedimentation. This analysis will be used to determine the optimum conditions for maximum nutrient recovery and biochar supported through phyte production.
Our project is expected to generate significant environmental, agricultural, and economic benefit. From an environmental perspective, the process can reduce ammonia pollution in landfill leachate and minimize the risk of water contamination. From an agricultural perspective, to biochar sulfate composite fertilizer can serve as an alternative fertilizer that provides essential nutrients for crop growth. From an economic perspective, the approach promotes a waste-to-resource strategy, transforming a costly waste management challenge into a valuable product with market potential. Ultimately, the project supports circular economy principle by recovering nutrients that will otherwise be lost. Our project technology is designed for practical implementation at landfill site. The process can be integrated into exciting leachate treatment facilities or small-scale processing unit. The required chemicals, including magnesium chloride and potassium phosphate, are commercially available and widely used in water treatment application. Meanwhile, biochar can be produced from abundant agricultural residues such as rice husk, creating additional value from biomass waste. With appropriate, optimized, and quality control, the resulting sulfite biochar product has strong potential to become a sustainable fertilizer for agricultural application. This creates opportunities for both environmental management and green business development.
In conclusion, landfill leachate should no longer be viewed solely as a waste problem. By recovering nutrients through phyte precipitations and integrating them with biochar, we can convert environmental liabilities into sustainable agricultural solution. This innovation contributes to pollution reduction, resource recovery, and circular economy development. Thank you for your attention.